Whoa, pension fund managers are in trouble. The Financial Conduct Authority in the UK is focusing on value for money. Basically, they're looking into, alongside the pension regulator more broadly, they're looking at whether or not people are getting value for money. Now, there's opportunities for institutions to inform the Financial Conduct Authority, the regulator, and the pensions regulator on this. But basically, the Pension Investment Review, which is going to be out in a long period of time, but that focus on whether or not people are getting that value in terms of returns, knowledge gaps that people have, and how can they increase the value to people. Now, sadly, what's going to happen with these things is that fund managers, as ever, are going to be able to lobby and be let off the hook. And the conclusion that the regulator will come to is, oh, IFAs need to speak more often to clients. They need to give them more knowledge, more webinars, more TikToks. They need to keep them better informed about how people's pensions are doing. What they won't tell them is they should be performing better. What they won't say to them is if you underperform the benchmark, you should not be allowed to charge any fees whatsoever to your clients. What they won't tell them is that your benchmarks to begin with are pretty poor, and should you get a negative return or anything below 5% per annum, maybe 8% per annum, then you shouldn't be allowed to charge any fees either. They won't tell them that. They'll look at these other things because the lobbyists will tell them, go look over there, look at this, oh, we'll educate them better, we'll do better on this. In actual fact, the bottom line is growth is the most important thing. Sadly, they won't do it. So you've got to take matters into your own hands. You should have your own SIP, your own ISA, these tax-free wrappers which allow you to grow investments that you select yourself. Whether your investments are similar to mine, which is Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan. Yes, I've got the board of JP Morgan working for me to make me returns. And the board of Goldman Sachs. My Goldman Sachs holding is up 60% in 1 year. Okay? Yeah, that's who works for me. And to buy those shares, I think it cost £10 to buy. The commission was £10. Okay? So a little bit of education can go a hell of a long way and still allow you to play it safe. So I'm not saying you necessarily have, as I do, Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Nvidia, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs. What I'm saying is at least learn how to do these things. When I first wrote that book, which was based on my 200 columns in the Financial Times, my 250 shows on Bloomberg TV, it was to get people to learn to do it themselves. And over the 25 years since I wrote that, and I've written 18 other books, the industry has not improved. Just like the tobacco industry never improved. And regulation just couldn't do it. In the end, you had to take responsibility, and you'll have to do it for your own pensions as well. So quit being addicted to IFAs and fund managers and improve your education, please. Go to my free resources. I've created a whole load. You can download that book for free. I'll bear the cost. Download the book for free. Go to campaignforamillion.com, my campaign to teach 1 million people worldwide how to add an extra million to their pensions across their lifetimes. Campaignforamillion.com. And if you've liked this video, please save, like, and share it, because if you do that, more people will see it. I'll do more free videos. More people will see it for free. You'll get more for free. I'll do more free videos because I know I'm not talking to an empty room. So please do that as well. I hope you found that helpful for 2026 and a bit of a sort of kick, as it were, for 2026. Get that in order. The regulator's looking at low value for money. You better do it yourself because they're not going to protect you enough, I'm afraid.